Hi guys, and welcome back. Okay, alright, so I'm wearing full face of makeup right now. Normally don't do this. I decided to do my intro last because I always take forever with my intros. So yeah guys, so today's video I'll be doing my first impressions of the new Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish collection. I got the bundle, it was $51. Gave me an eyeshadow palette, primer, because I was really interested about the primer and the brush set or the brushes. So I am wearing everything today. I used everything today. So if you like makeup reviews, if you're a makeup lover, if you like, if you a makeup enthusiast like myself, if you want to know how I did this makeup look, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos. So if you want to know how I did this makeup, just please just keep on watching. So I'm gonna show you guys I'm gonna show you the eyeshadow palette. So this feels like a notebook. That's what it feels like. And I love the purple packaging. It feels really lightweight, similar packaging to her first eyeshadow palette. And it says in here, Spanglish press pigment palette. This palette is dedicated to all the multicultural Venus. May you always feel represented and glam as hell with Alamar Cosmetics. Gabriela Trujillo, perfect for a day and night. This palette features 8 stunning shades. Our 4 shimmers are just like you, multidimensional and unique. Dripping in fine glitters and reflected pearls, ground your look with our easy to blend and ultra long wearing mattes. Best use dry, and you can use the shadows wet with the wet brush. So this one is made in USA. That's very amazing. This one retails for $28, but if you're gonna buy the bundle, $51. You save a little bit more with the bundle. That's amazing guys, made in USA, because we all know products that are made in the USA, or ingredients that are made in the USA, Canada, and Italy are really expensive. So I'm really glad that she did not price this one like $40, because we all know products that are made in China are cheaper to make than products that are made in Italy, USA, and Canada. It doesn't mean like products that are made in China are bad. It's just they're cheaper to make. We all know that. I don't know guys, we all know that. So I'm really glad that she did not overprice this palette. And also I got the brush set, which I'll be showing you guys in a minute, and then the eyeshadow primer. So let's go right ahead with the makeup look. Prime my lid. Oh my goodness, I just dropped everything right now. Let me prime my lid with this primer. And let me squash this one for you guys. It is sticky, kind of reminds me a little bit of the Vanessa Max primer. So I'm just gonna prime my lids with this. Ooh, it is very like sticky, almost like a glue-like primer. I don't it got into my under eyes. I don't know guys if you're gonna like this very tacky sticky primer. Okay, so it's really hard to pronounce some of these words. So this is the shade Ponte Hyper, this pink matte shade. I'm gonna use this one, the Alamar Cosmetics brush that I just dropped. So let me get the brush. Okay, so I'm gonna take this shade Ponte Hyper with the Alamar Cosmetics brush. I don't see them much fallout at all, so I'm just gonna see how this. Oh, pigmented. Wow. Wow, the eyeshadow just sticking to the eyeshadow base or the primer. Okay, let me blend this out then. Oh, yeah, see guys, it's sticking to my lid. So just wait. This way is just apply it and blend it instead of packing it on, because it's not moving at all. It's moving slightly, but if you want to even application, I think it's better to just apply it and then blend it out, because packing it on is just the shadow sticking right there. You see guys, it's sticking right there, so it's a really like sticky tacky base, very sticky, almost like a glue base. And then I'm gonna be using the shade More Excited, this shade. And then I'm gonna use the brush, the new brush, or the brush that came from the set or bundle, I should say. The brush set, it was for this little estate $18 for 3 brushes. I think that's not bad at all. And let me show you guys. So this seems to work fine, or seems to blend out better. Yes, as you can see, I'm just trying to like do like this. The eyeshadow's moving, like coming off. Oh my god, I do not like this primer at all, guys. Yeah, not the eyeshadow palette. The shadows are really great, but the primer, oh my god. So I'm gonna use another primer. Let me remove this one. Let me remove everything, guys. I'm gonna use this primer from elf, or maybe I'm gonna use this Vanessa Max Primer, guys. So this is a little sticky to and tacky, but it's not as sticky as tacky as the Alamar Cosmetics Eyeshadow Primer. The Alamar Cosmetics felt more like I mean eyelash glue to me. So so I'm just gonna redo the whole thing, guys. I'm gonna use this primer and I'll be right back. Guys, already applied the shadows again. I used the color fix from Vanessa Max, also a tacky base, but not as sticky and tacky as the Alamar. The Alamar felt like a glue primer. It was really sticky and tacky. The shadows did not blend out evenly. I mean, I was just not happy with the primer, so I used this one from Vanessa Max, and I really love this one from Vanessa Max. And another great one from the drugstore, the elf one. Yeah, the shadows, guys, you can see blended beautifully on the eyes, way better than the primer, the Alamar Cosmetics primer. So it did not work. Oh, what am I doing? So the primer, I wasn't a big fan of. It was just so sticky. I almost felt like an eyelash glue, which I personally did not like at all. So now I'm gonna mix the shades. This one, I don't know how to pronounce this shade. There's something in my eye. Go, I don't know. And this one, Eris and Show. So these two. I'm not gonna try to pronounce them because I'm just gonna butcher the names. So I'm using the brush, the pocket brush from the set. You know what? This is almost like a shadow topper. So I feel like they work better with my finger. Yeah, way better. So they are really like pressed hard. So I guess that's why this brush did not work. This one pretty. This is pretty. So let me use this brush again, just to make it a little bit more precise. There you go. There you go. This is way better, way better. I'm just gonna do my wing eye. I'm gonna wing my eyes. I'm using the One Size One Patrick Star. Put on false lashes. I'm gonna do everything off camera because I always take forever. And then my brows, and I'll be right back with the rest of my makeup. So I am back. I did my brows. Foundation, I am wearing the Honest Beauty cream foundation, the shade Sand. I actually have been really liking this one so far. Same glow stick from Supergoop. Here, brows. I'll do my brows because, you know, I always take forever with my brows. Now for my lower lashes, I'll be using so much dust in here. This pink shade Point Hyper, Ponte Hyper. I don't know how to pronounce this name. And I'm gonna use this Alamar Cosmetics brush. The next another Alamar Cosmetics. I got this one from my Boxy Charm box a long time ago. So this is the colorette brush trio. I have the medium tan. She also has the light, I think light, fair light, medium tan, and tan dark, deep dark. Also bronzer palettes. So I'm gonna use, oh my god, look at all the beautiful shades. I don't know what shades I should be using, so I think I'm gonna use the shade Seclusion, which is a light peach shade. I think I'm gonna mix the shade Seclusion and Isla or Isla. That is really. The lips, I bought two lip products. These were the only lip products that I saw from the website. So this is the lip pencil in the shade Bertie Suit, which is a nude BG pink shade. So I think I'm not gonna use this one next time because it doesn't really like go well with this lip gloss, because this was very dark, really like more like darker than the lip pencil. So I'm just gonna use another one. So this is the lip gloss in the shade Divina, very dark brown shade. But when I opened the lip gloss, the product got all over the one, so I just left it on my top of my table overnight, and for some reason the stopper just appeared for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe just, you know, the formula is very sticky and really thick that the stopper maybe floated inside the tube, so maybe that's what happened. I don't know, but anywho, I'm gonna line my lips with the Bite Beauty lip liner in the shade, what shade is this one? Calvados. And then the lip gloss, and this is the completed look. Alright guys, so let me tell you guys about my thoughts about the Alamar Cosmetics products. I purchased the bundle for $51. Came with a shadow palette and shadow primer and also a brush set. So I'm gonna talk about this eyeshadow primer first because I personally did not like this one at all. It was just way too sticky and tacky that it felt like an eyelash glue. It made the eyeshadows very hard to blend and started to crumble on my left side. So I decided to use another primer. I am wearing the Vanessa Max Primer. This is also tacky, but not like, you know, glue like tacky base primer. I actually really love this one. And also another great one from the drugstore is the e.l.f. Putty Primer. This is not a tacky sticky primer. It's a putty primer. If you have tried their face putty primer, same consistency. Then the next one is the Spanglish eyeshadow palette. This one I like the formula, love the colors. I like that I like that it has a mirror because I need a mirror. The matte shades very easy to blended way better than the eyeshadow primer from Alamar. So these two blended beautifully on the eyes. I am wearing the shades More Excited and Point Eyebrows on my lower lashes, and then I mix these two purple shades on my lids. So these two applied better with my fingers, so I highly recommend to use your fingers. They are pressed very hard. They're a little bit crumbly but not too much, so I use my finger to apply these two purple shades and then use this brush that came from this set, this one, to just make the eyeshadow application a little more precise. Then I use the Petal Light. This one, love these colors overall. I really like this eyeshadow palette. And then next, the brushes or the brush set. I love the brushes, guys. I love the brushes. I'm not really surprised at all because I love the brushes that I got from Alamar, the old or the first two brushes that they came out with. I love the bristles, very 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 soft. The handles, oh my goodness, the handles kind of remind me of the Wet n Wild brushes, but still guys, very 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 nice. So I love these brushes. The only thing that I did not like from the collection was the primer. It was just so sticky. So anyways, okay guys, so lip gloss, sorry, level lip gloss. The only thing about this one guys is because the formula is so sticky and very very thick, so the stopper maybe floated inside. I mentioned so many times, inside the tube. So just left it overnight on top of my table, and then suddenly the stopper appeared. I don't know where, I don't know what happened. Maybe it's just inside the tube. Okay, so this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. To my other channel. Okay, don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.